After months and months of drawing plans, revisions, permitting, and other holdups, building this warehouse has been kind of frustrating, so it's nice to show up and see substantial framing progress being made. The guys started by bolting the pressure-treated bottom plate to the anchor bolts that were put in when the foundation walls were poured. They put a layer of sill seal under the plate to fill any gaps that would let air in. Then they laid off their walls. They chose to frame these walls in place since they're so tall and heavy. Next, they put in the headers above the doors and windows. Above the garage doors, they used LVL beams for the headers. They are a lot stronger than conventional lumber. The plans called for a 3-ply 11 7/8 LVL above each garage door, with 2 king studs and 2 jack studs under each end. Some of the spacing was off on our anchor bolts, where the 16-foot pressure-treated plates had to be spliced, so I added some of these Simpson half-inch Titan bolts in these areas. Because these roof trusses are over 60 feet long, the framers decided to set up the first floor trusses on the ground and brace them together. This way, when they set this section on the roof, they will have a stable platform to brace the rest of the trusses to. They carefully space out each truss and temporarily screw it to this beam on the ground. You can see here how they use these steel jigs that they had welded up to help hold the trusses in place while they braced everything together. This roof gets 2x4 purlins with metal decking instead of sheathing. They also temporarily attach diagonal braces with deck screws to keep everything from moving when it gets lifted in place. When the crane comes, this entire unit will get set at the end of the building. Then the rest of the trusses will get set into place one by one, 4 foot on center. Let me know in the comments what questions you might have about any part of this project.